is Ryan with Ryan and Daddy Cook. So today we're making cookies. First, put all the ingredients together. So first, we had to put some these ingredients, and then just mix them all together, like milk, sugar, and baking powder, and then mix them all together like that. And then you put everything in, like the dry ingredients, inside a big bowl, and you pour it into the bowl. You pour it. It will take a little bit hours to pour it inside. Then you mix up the butter and egg. You crush the egg inside. Put a little bit inside the milk and mix. Then you put the yolk inside the butter, and you put the sugar inside the butter. Then you mix until it's light and fluffy. It will take a little, keep mixing, and it will stop for 1 minute. Then when it's done, you pour every other ingredients inside the big bowl. And by the way, kids, did you know that it looked like throw up? And then we just put all of it inside and keep mixing with the dry ingredients. Put it in slowly so it will taste yummier. It will take a few hours to put it in. Okay, now we're all done putting it inside. Now we just have to mix it until it's light and fluffy again. So it will take a little bit. And now we just have to wrap it in some paper and make it nice. Flat it until it's done. Then you fold it. And then it will take a little bit minutes to bake. So you've gotta take a nap. Then take out the dough. It's ready. Take out the dough. Close the fridge. Put the dough in. Close the fridge. Now I'm woke up from my nap. Now we just have to spread a little bit of that on. Then open up the paper. It might turn a little breaking. So make sure you do the right way. Don't make it the wrong way. Then you flip it over and turn it, and flip it over and turn it again. Make it the right shape. As you know, they might break if you did the wrong thingy. And then if it's breaking, just put some powder. Then you do the cookie cutter, and then it might be breaking still because it wasn't working for us while we were baking. Then next we just did everything. We just did a little bit more. We put it in the oven together. We closed it, and then it was ready. Here's what it looks like. And here, and as you see, there's like her, and we put some frosting to decorate and sprinkles. As you know, it was vanilla frosting, and just spread it everywhere so it's nice. Add the sprinkles to it, when you're done. But as you know, kids, you may make it nice. We are gonna, and then it tastes really good. Thank you for watching my cookie maker one. And if you like it, subscribe for my video. And as you know, kids, you can make this cookie at the restaurant. You can eat this at the restaurant. Bye. Just get away from me.